Hello friends, welcome to our new channel Be Smart. Hope you guys good. Let's start without any delay to know about the top fact of the world, and our topic today is amazing fact of world. Fact number 1. Do you know that the ostrich bird's legs are so long that it covers 3 to 5 meters in one step, and then the ostrich bird uses its leg like a weapon because ostrich kick can kill a human and even a lion can die. Fact number 2. It was found in South Queenstown University research that by getting facials on our face, 95% loss of sun radiation can save yourself from radiation, and skin cancer can also be avoided. Fact number 3. The world's deepest lake vehicle, which is present in Siberia, and let me tell you that this lake is 1631 meters deep, and the most fresh water in the whole world is found here. Here 20% of the world's fresh water is found, which is frozen in snow. Fact number 4. Snow monkey in Japan entertains people by making snow and play it. Fact number 5. Friends, dinosaurs used to swallow big stones and store them because they used to save their food or peace through whatever stone they ate. Fact number 6. An elephant can store 4 liters of water on its nose. Fact number 7. Blue whales are the most listened to animals in the world, as blue whales 1600 up to kilometers can also hear the sound of. Fact number 8. If an aluminum can is recycled, we can save so much energy that we can watch TV for 3 hours through the one can. Fact number 9. In a city called Alaska, sunlight is more than 20 hours. Because of this, the fruits and vegetables are very big, like 70 kg cabbage, 50 kg pumpkin. Fact number 10. Friends, do you know that the founder of Apple company was actually 3 men, who that Ronald Wand was the number 3 founder who sold 10% of the Apple company to $800 because of his ill partner, which today cost more than $62.93 billion. Fact number 11. Scientists research revealed that in actually people's tongues recognize 5 tests, and that test is salt, sweet, bitter, sour, umami. Fact number 12. You will be surprised to hear that no one is allowed to climb Mount Everest. The Zone Security Nepal Ministry of Tourism has disseminated that Mount Everest can climb the same one who has climbed at least 6500 meters in hill before in his life. Fact number 13. Adidas company. The founder of the company gave Printer Jesse of USA Olympic player of the company to wear baby shoe before launching his shoe in 1936 markets, and by wearing it he won 4 medals, which led to this shoe demand in different countries gone to many times. And during World War II, this company sold 2 lakh pair shoes. Fact number 14. Nepali climber Tamber Jorde, which is the Nepali person who set the world record for the fastest climbing Mount Everest. He climbed the entire Mount Everest in just 8 hours and 10 minutes in 2004. Fact number 15. Rafflesia arnoldia is one plant whose flower is the largest in the world. The flower is more than 91 centimeters and its weight more than 11 kg. Fact number 16. In 2017, the Germans invented the world's first hydrogen power train that runs without electricity, and instead of fuel, only steel and water is given. Thank you so much.